Good morning. It is Monday, April 4th, 2022, and joining me as always on 5 Minute Mondays is Dr. Timothy Bray. Dr. Bray, let's see those COVID numbers.
Great. Good morning, Danny. So, Danny, as you can see, our numbers continue to sort of bobble around. Active cases are down almost 20%. New cases are up about 10%, but remember, that's going with our small numbers from 3182 in all of North Texas to 3514. So as you start to get these smaller bases, we start to get larger percentages. All in all, at the margin, North Texas is seeing an R sub T over 14 days of 0.94. Remember, under 1 is good. If we look just at Dallas County, bobbling around 1. Collin County around 1.01, Rockwall County around around 0.84. So as you can see, the numbers are continuing to move in the right direction. We're sort of at a lull. So that is your update for Monday, April 4th.
Thank you, Dr. Bray. And can you tell us a little bit more about, out of these minimal COVID numbers, which is great, what variants are we seeing? What variants are making up these numbers?
Sure. So we are entirely in North Texas and entirely in Region 6 and CDC Omicron. Now, let me show you what that breakdown looks like. This is CDC's Nowcast data, and Nowcast looks at variant breakdowns. I'm looking here at the distribution for Region 6. As you go from left to right across this chart, you go from the week of Christmas to the most recent data, the week of March 26th. Darker purple, that is BA1, so the original Omicron. Lighter purple, that is BA2. Right, so you can see here in North Texas, we are at almost 50-50. The good news from this is if BA2 were going to be a significant problem for us, at 50% of cases, we should be looking at a bigger volume of cases representing. We're not seeing that yet. That tends to suggest that, we're not going to experience the bumps and spikes that they've seen in the UK. Now, fingers crossed, we still have a lot of water to cover before we can say that we've made it through the Omicron wave, right? Because as you can see right now, while we have about 3,500 new cases, half of those are BA2, half of those are BA1, all of them are Omicron. Delta disappeared in North Texas from our monitoring way back in the end of January. So, fingers crossed, we still need to be vigilant. We still need to be taking care of ourselves and taking care of others.
Thank you, Dr. Bray. And can you tell me real quick, does Region 6 encompass more than just Texas?
Yeah, it's Arkansas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, and I can show you, here it is down here on the map from CDC. Right, so it is a 5-state region that is more than just Texas. It's basically the Central South.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Dr. Bray. Again, stay tuned for next week on 5 Minute Mondays.
Thanks, Danny.